want to make apple yogurt cake. For this cake, I will show you the ingredients in two parts. And this is for the basic cake and the other will be for the topping. For the cake, we need cake flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, almond flour, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, canola oil, custard sugar, and plain yogurt. First, we mix the dry ingredients first. Cake flour, almond flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix with the whisk. The wet ingredient, you mix egg with sugar, now you add oil, and mix it again. Then you add yogurt, and you mix it again. Now add vanilla extract. And mix again until well combined. Now mix the dry ingredient into the wet ingredient. And you mix with spatula. Mix this until well combined. I use 18 centimeter spring foam and pour the batter here in the prepared spring foam. Okay, now we want to prepare the topping. For the topping, we need apple. I use 1 apple cut into small and thin like this, almond slices, and palm sugar or brown sugar. And you arrange the apple on the top. And you sprinkle with the brown sugar or palm sugar. almond slices. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you bake this for 40 until 50 minutes, depend on your oven you have checked with the toothpick. Ta-da! This is the result of apple yogurt cake. Beautiful and with a lot of almond on the top. Will be really delicious. I will try this. Let me cut this cake now. You see this? It's really nice. Okay, let me try this now. This is really moist. Hmm. Hmm. This is really good. So soft inside. And you see this? This is the apple. And not so sweet. Really perfect for my tea times. I love this. You have to try this. Really delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment, like and share my video. See you for the next recipe. Stay healthy and take care. Bye.